Want to look like your younger self? Want to wipe off the effects of an indulgent weekend? Want to detox yourself from high-energy indulgences? Then this tomato carrot juice is the correct place to start. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, and also a storehouse of antioxidants. Both carrots and tomatoes are your allies to prevent free radical damage. Drink a glass of this refreshing juice every day for that pink cherubic glow on your cheeks and also have an overall healthy glow in your body. Ingredients: tomato, carrot. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.